Hello plant enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords and today we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY plant propagation. If you're looking to expand your indoor jungle without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In just 2 minutes I'll show you some quick and easy methods to propagate your favorite plants. Let's get our hands dirty and watch our green family grow. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need your parent plant, the one you want to propagate. A clean pair of scissors or pruning shears, some small containers or jars, and a good potting mix. Now let's jump into the propagation magic. Step 2. Identify suitable cuttings. Look for healthy stems on your parent plant that are suitable for cutting. Aim for stems with a few leaves on them. These cuttings will be the foundation for your new plants. Use your scissors or pruning shears to make a clean cut just below a node, the point where leaves or branches attach to the stem. Step 3. Prepare your cuttings. Remove any excess leaves from the lower part of your cutting, leaving just a few at the top. This reduces the stress on the cutting and directs energy towards root development. If your plant has aerial roots, even better, those can help speed up the process. Step 4. Propagation methods. Water versus soil. Now comes the fun part, choosing your propagation method. You can either propagate in water or directly in soil. For water propagation, place your cuttings in a jar with enough water to submerge the nodes. For soil propagation, insert the cuttings directly into the soil. Both methods can yield fantastic results, so choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Care and patience. Once your cuttings are in place, it's time for a little patience and care. Keep an eye on the water levels or soil moisture, ensuring it stays consistent. Place your cuttings in a bright indirect light spot and avoid direct sunlight. In a few weeks, you'll start to see roots developing, and once they're established, you can transplant your new plants into their own pots. And there you have it, a crash course in DIY plant propagation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our green adventures. Share your propagation success stories or any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy propagating and may your indoor jungle flourish. Take care.